What's going on, guys? So I get a ton of people that message me all the time, either here on TikTok or on YouTube, asking me, how do you start flipping land? And really, it's really not as hard as you might think it is. You simply have to get a list of people who have owned land for at least 5 years or longer. You're gonna want to send these people a offer letter. I send about 20 offer letters per day. You're gonna send it 25 to 30 cents on the dollar is your offer. And you're gonna get about a 2 to 3 response rate. So for every 1,000 letters you send, you're gonna get 20 to 30 people who would want to sell it. So what you do is you buy the land. You can do this a number of ways. You don't have to use your own money, obviously. And you buy the land and you simply resell it and take the profit. So you can also do something called owner financing it. So what you do is you buy the land and then you offer it as a owner finance deal. So you're gonna offer it for some money down and then a dollar amount per month, and you're going to create pretty much passive income by doing this. So if you want to learn how to do this, shoot me a message.